In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract Lightroom presets from .xmp or .lr template files. Whether you're a photographer or a digital artist, understanding how to manage and convert these presets can really streamline your workflow. Let's dive in and explore each step in detail. First, what you need to do is open ChatGPT and start a brand new chat. Having a fresh slate ensures that your conversation is organized and the information is easy to access later. Once you're set up, the next move is to upload or simply copy the preset code into ChatGPT. You might wonder what this preset code looks like. It generally contains a series of instructions on how to manipulate Lightroom settings like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and so on. It's essentially a guidebook for the software to create the visual aesthetics you're aiming for. After pasting the code into ChatGPT, ask it to convert this code into a human-readable format. This step is crucial. You'll prompt it by typing something along the lines of, "Here's a Lightroom preset code. Convert it into a human-readable format that lists all the settings, such as exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and so forth." Doing this provides clarity on what each line of code modifies in the Lightroom environment. It decodes the technical jargon into easily understandable pieces. With the settings now clearly laid out, the next thing you'll want to do is ask ChatGPT to convert the preset into another format. You might want it in JSON or maybe a CSS style format. This conversion is fantastic if you're looking to reuse these color settings elsewhere, or if you're familiar with web development and prefer working with JSON. Simply prompt ChatGPT with, "Convert this Lightroom preset into a JSON or CSS style format so I can reuse the color settings elsewhere." This step elevates the preset beyond Lightroom, potentially integrating into other projects or tools you're working with. If you find yourself needing to convert multiple .xmp presets at once, ChatGPT can help with batch conversion as well. Ask how you can achieve this by typing in, "How can I convert multiple .xmp presets at once into a spreadsheet with all their settings?" This question sets you up to handle a larger volume of presets without having to repeat the manual process for each one, saving you both time and energy in your creative process. Finally, don't forget to save all your hard work for future use. Whether you want to keep the converted presets handy for another project or share them with colleagues, having them stored properly ensures you can access and utilize them whenever needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Lightroom preset extraction and conversion. Happy editing, and until next time.